Yes, I have something like this, and then
All
I also
right,
brought a toothpick too, so just to see
all
if
right.
this also works.
I actually think the toothpick will work better. So let's start by.
Okay.
Here's how I do it. Watch this. I put the tuba in my lap like this, so that I can sort of access the lead pipe from both hands. Okay. So what you want to do is you start by holding the mouthpiece one hand and the toothpick in the other. We just put the toothpick on the lower side of the lead pipe.
Okay.
And how much you put it in is really depending on the size of the lead pipe. If you want the mouthpiece to go really far out, then you put the toothpick further in, right? So since it's kind of you can choose a little bit how much mouthpiece feel you want to like to have there.
Right.
But
Okay.
just make most important is that it's not falling out. You can twist it just slightly so you get a better fit.
Okay. So
Yeah, it
something
looks
like this, I
perfect.
think.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect. So I'm going to
Cool.
give you the pitch because that's going to be tough. So let's do the Meister Singer one more time. All right. Okay. All right.
Sorry. Okay.
We can stop there for a moment. But
Okay, sure.
yeah, you get the idea, right?
Yeah. I definitely hear a lot more things that I did not before.
Yes. And the whole idea here is that you cannot trust a piece of metal like this for intonation.
Hmm.
You have to be responsible for your own intonation. Don't ever trust a tuba for intonation.
Okay.
Sometimes the
Yeah.
manufacturers, they say that, oh, now we've made this tuba which is 100% in tune. Don't believe them. Uh,
Okay.
Personally, I'm able to play out of tune on the best tuba in the world, right? So,
Yeah.
and so are everybody. Everybody can play out of tune on even a really good tuba. So it's not like a piano where you have it all tuned and you just press the button and that's the note you get. But tuba, you have to pay attention to the intonation on every single note. And I think this trick here with the toothpick can actually help you quite a bit.
Right. Yeah. This is really helpful. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot.
So do you want to play a couple of more bars from the beginning? And then see if you can improve on your accuracy.
Okay. Sure. Let's try it.
Hmm? Okay, we can cut stop here. You're still going too far down. You're
Oh.
diving down almost to G flat here.
Oh. Okay.
One more time. Be
Okay.
moderate. Yeah,
That is, yeah. Very
it's
good.
tough, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, if you can do this with the toothpick, you will be so much in tune